To add a loudspeakers to the workspace, we go under Design, Add, and then we click on the Speaker tools found across the top menu bar. This will open a window with all the different loudspeakers manufacturers saved in our library. We can select a manufacturer. In this example, we will select PowerSoft. Then we select the family, which means choosing between the different series of loudspeakers available from the same manufacturer. Choose Linear. We can then select a model. In this case, let's choose Point Source. Finally, an application, which is simply different practical uses available for the same loudspeaker. Let's select Flat. We can select the quantity of loudspeakers that we want to load into our project. For this example, let's choose 8 and define if we want to wire these loudspeakers in parallel. The speakers can be wired vertically or horizontally, and ArmoníaPlus will also allow us to choose how many loudspeakers we want to wire in parallel. In this example, let's choose horizontal and select 4 loudspeakers as our parallel quantity. Let's now choose a quantity of 1 loudspeaker and select Array Group, Vertical, and click Add. This will link the loudspeakers to this specific array group, giving us control of any loudspeaker within this array group. Let's repeat the process, adding another loudspeaker and array group to our workspace and select Add. Let's now add a quantity of 2 subwoofers with a parallel mode of None. Select Add and Close and assign these subwoofers to our 2 separate array groups within our workspace as shown. Finally, let's add some ceiling speakers into our design. To do this, we will once again select the Speaker tool. In this example, we will select PowerSoft as the brand, and Linear as the family, Ceilings as the model, and Default as the application. For this example, let's choose 6 speakers as our quantity and choose a parallel mode of adjacent horizontal and parallel quantity of 6. We can now enable the High Z mode and select our transformer tab and voltage. Let's choose 15 watts and 100 volts and select Add. Let's repeat the process but change our speakers quantity to 2 speakers and our parallel quantity to 2 as well. Select Add and Close.